Hey friends, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. Ben here. It has been busy. You know, last week we were at the Plants for Everyone event. Well, volunteered for 3 days, and then we were back down there with Billy on Saturday. And then, of course, Friday we were at the hay bank up in Spruce Pine, helping out there. Well, what have we been doing since? Planting. Blueberries and cherry tree. And let's see, a couple of apricot trees, a number of different things. I can't even keep them all in my head. Hops, medicinal purposes. We're not making beer. Not even going to try that. And we are trying rhubarb again. We got a couple of those bulb sets. They look like a big bulb and they're starting to sprout. So we're going to try that again. We've tried them before and have not had any success. But one of my favorite pies is strawberry rhubarb. And Grandma used to make that. So Denise is really wanting to try making a strawberry rhubarb pie. And we're going to, we got strawberries. So anyway, and in amongst all that, the update on Hope and Lammy, Sheepy, we put them down. It was time. They had no quality of life. They weren't getting better. There was really no hope of it. We talked to the vet, and we prolonged it longer than what we wanted to. We would have probably done it a couple weeks ago. We've just been so busy with everything going on and the volunteering and lots of baby lambs. So anyway, but we put them down, and they are buried here near some of the apple trees. And all the lamb births, we'll have to put a total on there. I believe we've got 9. And I think there's 3 girls, 6 boys. And there were 4 that were lost. They're all buried down here by another apple tree. And, it's disappointing to lose them. But one of the sheep that's been a problem, Rosemary, named in honor of my grandmother, no less, she seems to be the leader of the pack as far as getting out of the fence. And so she is on the docket to go at the end of the month for our sheep butchery class, which is almost full. So if you are interested, on March 29th, right here at the Renewed Homestead, Billy from Pasture Farm and I will be teaching the class. You can find more information at renewedhomestead.com/events and get signed up over there. But it is filling up fast. But anyway, Rosemary was on the docket to go, but she's got the best body condition. And we were really torn. It's like, well, do we try again? She's lost a couple of babies in the past, and we were kind of losing hope. Well, she had 3 baby girls, only 1 survived, but we do have that one. So that's exciting and that's great. And we will, I'm going to have to switch hands here. But anyway, Rosemary will probably still go. So Rosie, as Denise is calling her baby, we will probably bottle feed her because we've talked about doing that and potentially doing sheep's milk, as well as Hope's sister, Nellie, Nervous Nellie. We believe she's pregnant. She doesn't look overly big, but her bags are developing, and she would be due about now as well. And so we're hoping we'll still get baby goats out of her, and we'll keep you posted on that. But we will put some of that cute footage in here of those babies jumping around, playing, the baby lambs anyway. Now, we just had a great time at Plants for Everyone. That's a plum cot. Plum, apricot. We'll see which we like better. But the Plants for Everyone event, that was a lot of fun. It was a lot of work and a lot of traveling back and forth down into Asheville. But, it was worth it. We'll work for food. We got a bunch of free plants out of it. We even gave Billy a couple of the blueberry bushes that we were able to procure. And, just a good time with that. So it's always dangerous getting me around plants because I would just, I'd buy out the place. Where do we plant them all? Denise always asks, where are we going to plant more? We'll find a place. We'll remove a little hay Hey, Frankie, old Blue Eyes. We'll just move Frankie's home and plant a tree there. She's not impressed. She is not impressed. So, all right, let me see. What else? What else did I want to talk about? So we got the baby sheep, and Hope and Sheepy are gone. It's been dry. We are expecting maybe get a little bit of rain, but it has actually been really dry since that last snowfall, and that's been several weeks ago. Everything's starting to bud out, so we are hoping that we don't get too many more freezes out here. A mild freeze, plants can handle, but if the peach trees that I'm looking at here, if that starts budding out and getting its flowers, we're going to lose it. So at least not the tree, but of course lose the fruit for the season. And we have started separating because the Fabio has started chasing around the mama sheep a little bit, and we do not want to really breed back to back. They've got to have time to wean and all that. I don't know that they would get pregnant, but they don't need to be harassed. So Fabio and Elvis, the goat, are over here separated from everybody except Nellie. Nellie's in with Elvis because she hasn't had her baby yet, and it seemed to calm Elvis down and make the whole separation a little bit easier here. In fact, they're across the creek. They are over. There's the creek. They're on the other side. That's our other garden. We call that the Larry garden because that area actually belongs to Larry, and he's like, I don't use it. If you guys want to put a garden in there or whatever you want to do. So that's, we've had a garden there for the last couple of years, and it sure helps having the animals run on it first. They eat down any weeds that are starting to sprout up. Plus, the poop is wonderful. So, all right. Anything else? I don't think so on this update anyway, but I wanted to kind of catch up with you because we've just, like I said, we've been busy because we had a bunch of plants, they're bare roots, so that we needed to get them in the ground and let you know what was going on. A lot of people have been asking about Hope and Sheepy, and, like I said, it was past time. So, that episode is closed, and a lot of folks are also asking about the fires. No, we are nowhere near the fires here in North Carolina. We are a safe distance unless something else sparks, but like I said, if we can get some rain here and tamper things down a little bit, that would be most wonderful. So, all right. Well, again, if you are interested in that sheep butchery class, you better get on it quick. We are almost full, so get over to RenewedHomestead.com/events, and it is almost spring, speaking of planting, so make sure you pick up a hori knife while you're at it. Best tool we've got on the property. Denise carries it everywhere, almost everywhere. Anytime she's in the garden, she's got it on her. So, all right, everybody. Well, we appreciate the prayers. We really do. Like we said, we've got a lot going on, and we are praying for all of you. We always do. And we just really do appreciate you. So make sure you give us a thumbs up. Y'all take care. We'll see you on the next video. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.
Make it so.